Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe with your family. I am Monica Agarwal, your social studies teacher from Little Angels High School Junior Wing. So, today we will start a new topic, that is continents and oceans. Children, we all know that the earth's surface is covered by land and water. The large land masses are called continents. Continents have many countries. There are total 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent, and Australia is the smallest continent and country too. India is a part of Asia. Landforms. Now, children, what are landforms? The earth has different natural features or landforms. We use special words to talk about these features. These are mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, plains, and deserts. Now, let us find out more about them. Mountains, hills, and valleys. Now, the first one is mountains. Mountains are the highest areas on the earth. The top of a mountain is known as a peak. When many mountains are joined together, they form a range. I hope you all must have seen mountains, isn't it? Now, one question for you all kids. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Alright. So the correct answer is Kanchenjunga. Next, what are hills? The high areas which are not high as mountains are known as hills. Next is valley. Now, what is a valley? A valley is a lowland between two hills or two mountains. You can see in the picture. Now, children, we will discuss more about landforms, plateaus and plains. What are plateaus? Plateaus are areas of highland. They are flat on the top. And plains? Plains are areas of flat land. You must know that plains in many areas are important for agriculture, such as the Great Northern Plain in India. Another type of plain is found along coast. It is known as a coastal plain. It is generally sandy. Our next landform is deserts. How many of you have seen a desert? A desert is a large area of land that has very little water. Very few plants grow on it. Many desert areas are covered by sand. They are very hot and dry. Now, children, question time. Which is the largest desert in India? The correct answer is the Thar Desert. The correct answer is the Thar Desert. Now, children, tell me, Have you heard about cold deserts? Cold deserts are the areas which are covered by snow throughout the year. No plants can grow there. For example, Ladakh. Ladakh is a cold desert. Now, children, our next topic is oceans. Large areas of water on the surface of the earth are known as oceans. The smaller areas of water are known as seas. This water is very salty. Do you know how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Southern Ocean. I hope you all will remember it. No more. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It covers almost 1/3 of the entire area of the earth. Do you know, children? There are mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, and plains under the sea as well. Those mountains that rise above the water become islands. It is not island, it is islands. An island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. Now, children, an important term which we will discuss is an archipelago. What is an archipelago? An archipelago is a group of islands that are close together in the sea. The two group of Indian islands are Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep. They are archipelagos. Next is peninsula. A peninsula is an area of land that is almost surrounded by water. It is joined to a large piece of land on one side, such as the southern part of India. So children, today in this chapter we have learnt many new words, isn't it? So let us recall them. Continent, a large landmass of the earth. Ocean, a large area of water on the surface of the earth. Island, a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. Archipelago, a group of islands. Peninsula, an area of land that is almost surrounded by water, such as southern part of India. So children, I hope you enjoyed this session. Take care. Thank you.